So now we are in the first floor of academic building. So this is the staircase we have used, and we have the lift facility which we have seen. Adjacent to the lift we have a small storeroom. These are notice boards which are being displayed in all the floors. So this is our first classroom on the first floor. Our classrooms are equipped with projector and 60 capacity. Internet connectivity is also there in the room, and we have air conditioning facility also in each of the classrooms. Now next to the first classroom we have a staff toilet here, and then we have electronics lab 3. So here I would like to request Devasmita madam to please explain what are the facilities available in this lab.
Hello, I am Devasmita Datta and I welcome you at Electronics Lab 3. This is a fully air-conditioned lab, and in this lab we have a high configured PC as well as we have a projector. In this lab we have the seating arrangement for the 30 students at a time, and along with that in this lab we have the around 50 trainer kits which we use for the conduction of the different laboratories in this lab. In this lab facilitates us to conduct 4 different laboratories like basic electrical and electronics devices and circuit, network analysis and transmission lines, as well as for the communication engineering also we have the kits. Apart from that, for the industrial training purpose we can conduct the experiment for the solar trainer kit, and in our lab we have that solar trainer kit over there which we use during the industrial training purpose. And as you can see, this lab is divided into 4 sections. This section is particularly for the communication engineering kits and all the trainer kits for the conduction of the communication engineering lab we have here. Like we have the pulse code modulation kit, like frequency division multiplexing and demultiplexing kit, TTM kit, QPS kit, BPS kit. Then in this side we have amplitude modulations, frequency modulations, pulse code modulations, and all these sides we have. This side is particularly for the basic electronics, as well as we have some kits for the electronic devices as well. Here we have the diode and Zener diode kits, rectifier circuits. We have the transistor characteristics kit, by which we can check the characteristics of the transistor. Then field effect transistor characteristics kits also we have. Then in this side we have the phase shift oscillator, noise and power spectral density and measurement kit, optocoupler kit, and then the RC coupled amplifier and all. This side we have. And then in this side also we have some other electronic devices kits, like op-amp kit for the op-amp operational amplifier, application trainer kit, negative feedback amplifier kit, operation amplifier. We can use as how we can use an operational amplifier as an inverting and a non-inverting summing amplifier also we can see. Here we have the kit for the instrumentation amplifier. Then in this side we have the kits. Then in this side we have all the kits for the network analysis and transmission lines. We have the kit for the transmission line trainer, 2-port network, active, passive and bandstop filter, then transient analysis kit, and along with that, with each and every kit we have a separate power supply unit also. Whichever kits need power supply unit, We have those power supply units also. In this section we have the kits for the basic electrical laboratory, and here we have the network theorem trainer kits, kit for the Norton's, Thevenin's, Kirchhoff's law, phase shift in LCR circuit we can have, we have. Then we have the kit for the RLC series and parallel circuit as well. That's all. Thank you.
So we have seen electronics lab 3. Now coming out of this lab, on the left hand side it is another staircase which goes to the second exit and connecting to the admin block. So we are moving in a clockwise direction. These are our firefighting equipments. Coming down to next, we have our drawing hall. So this is our drawing hall. Now Mr. Samuel will explain what are the facilities in this drawing hall.
Hello. So this is a engineering graphic class. Out in this engineering graphic class, as we know, this is a common syllabus for our first year students. We can accommodate around like 36 students at a bench, and out in this particular classes we have got facilities where they can bring their drafter. They will no longer need to bring their drawing board. They can just come out here, and one bench they can, and one bench they will be able to sit in 3 in a row. So this is the facilities that we have given to the students, where they can enhance their drawing skills, learn what the current trend are going in our engineering fields. Thank you.
So this was the drawing hall. Next to this, we have a classroom. So this is classroom number 2 in this floor. It is again the same thing like the previous one. This is the gents toilet, this is the ladies toilet. And we have drinking water facility in each of the floors. Next we have language lab. So here I would like to request ma'am to please explain what are the facilities available.
Hello, welcome to Language and Computer Lab. This lab have a total number of 30 PCs equipped with Intel i7 processor and 8 GB RAM. This lab is basically used for two purposes. One is business application lab for conducting diploma classes, and another one is English language software. Here I am requesting our English faculty, Ms. Tanuja ma'am, to describe about the English software.
Myself Tanuja Chaudhary, Faculty of Communicative English. In this lab we are using the Oral DLL software, that is Oral Digital Language Lab software, that is required by students for developing the pronunciation skill, oral presentation skill and the overall communication skill. That's it. Thank you.
Language lab. Next to this, we have electronics lab 4. This is electronics lab 4. I will request Mr. Hiranyan Rupini to please explain what are the facilities available in the lab.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Hiranyan Rupini, Senior Technical Officer. This is an electronics lab 4. For our convenience, we have divided this lab into two sides. And right hand side is kept for digital electronics, and in left hand side it is industrial electronics. In digital electronics, there are three IC trainer kits, digital IC trainer kits. With the help of this IC trainer kit, we can perform the practicals of logic gates, multi-vibrator, clock, flip-flop, like all these practicals. And in left-hand side, it is kept for industrial electronics. In left-hand side, it is kept for industrial electronics. The components in industrial electronics are DC power supply, this is a amplifier, negative feedback amplifier, and this is a CRO, this is inverter, Wein bridge oscillator, DC power supply, CRO, function generator, and this is filter. This is trial characteristic apparatus. And this is a 2-port network parameter trainer kit. There are 2 ACs and 1 projector is there. And apart from this, it is in right hand side, left hand side. It is actually for the purpose of mobile training, industrial training purposes. And this is mobile trainer kit. DC power supply, hot air gun, telephone trainer kit, and DC power supply, etc.
So we have almost finished the facilities available in the first floor. We started from the first staircase and we have rotated in a clockwise direction, and these are the all facilities that we have seen in our first floor. Now we will be moving to the second floor of academic block.